In this video, we are discussing about employee mobile application. Mobile apps can improve HR efficiencies, making it easier for your employees to complete basic tasks. Mobile apps save users time by storing their activity. In My Payroll Master, mobile app helps the employees to mark their day-to-day attendance, book employee attendance, customer or client visits, leave related activities, etc. To install My Payroll Master application in your phone, go to App Store or Play Store, then search My Payroll Master. This is our application. Then give install. Then open the app and give user ID and password. We have already discussed how to create employees user ID and password in employee access video. Then enter capture code. Then click login. If you are a new user, this option will appear. We logged in with password created from admin side. To reset the password, enter the old password. Then enter new password. Enter confirm password. Enter the capture code. Then give save. Now log in with the reset password or new password. Give capture code. Then give login. These options are available in the home page. If you upload image, it will show here. First option is check in or out. Means here employees can mark their attendance, set location. To check in and check out, click on this green round. When you click on check in button, checkout option will come. Next, click on checkout after your work time. In last attendance, you can see the last click check-in or out details. You can see the date, time and action with punching location here. Next is synchronize status. If the attendance to be synchronized is 0 only, it will be synchronized from admin side. If the attendance to be synchronized shows the count, check your network connection and make it synchronize. A proper internet connection is needed for synchronizing this app. Need help option is available at the bottom. Click on that if there is any issue while using check-in and out. For example, if there is any problem, select the problem from the option. Then give remark. You must enter the exact issue in the remark column. Then click on report. Below the need help, you can see the location accuracy. By this accuracy, we are getting the location. Means if the accuracy is below 100, it will be exact location for check-in and check-out. If the accuracy is above 100, you will only get almost nearest location details. Next is customer visit. When an employee is going to visit customer or client for any organizational purpose, that details will be added here. When you reach the company or customer, enter the company or customer name. Then click Save button. When you click Save, you are stepped in. After finishing the meeting or visit, enter the purpose. Then click Save. Now you are stepped out and customer visit is updated successfully. If you are going to next client, repeat the same. So, here employees can store each day's customer visit details. Next is leave management. By clicking leave management, employee can manage all leave related activities. Here, employee can view available leave details. If employee want to apply leave, click on that leave type. Then click apply. Give from and to date. Means leave start and end date. Then give leave start section or end section. Means first half or second half. Here we have given end section as second half. Means if you give first and second half only, this employee will show as full day leave. If you give both as first half or second half, it will show as half day leave only. Then select authorize by. Give approve by. Then enter the reason for leave. Then enter the contact number. Then click on Apply button. Now you are successfully applied for the leave. By clicking Detail button, you can view the selected leave transactions. Means applied, approved, cancelled, etc. can view here. Like this, employees can manage their leave using this app. Next is expenses. Employee expense means by entering employee expense, company pay back their employees who have spent their own money on business related expenses. For example, travel expense, food expense for client meeting, etc. By using this mobile app, employee can enter his or her expenses at any time. Here, employee can view the entered expense details. To create a new expense entry, click on plus button. Enter expense type like traveling, food, petrol charges, etc. Then select the date. Then enter expense amount. Option is here to upload image. Then give the purpose. Then enter the vendor or customer name. Then give approved by. Enter remark. Then click Save. The expense has been uploaded. Next is logs. In this, we can view attendance details and updated customer visit detail. First is detailed attendance. In this, employee can view their in and out details. In this, employee can view day-wise attendance details. You can select month-wise data from here. Here, P bar P means full day present, means employee covered the full day minutes given in shift policy. A bar A means full day absent. P bar A means only half day present. This employee didn't cover his full day minutes. He only covered the half day minutes given in shift policy. WO means weekly off. CL bar CL means full day casual leave approved. LOP bar LOP means loss of pay approved. HO means holiday. Next is customer visit. Here, employee can see the detail entered in customer visit. Next is pay slip. Here, employees can view their salary details month-wise. Here, employee can view only payroll approved by admin. Employees this month payroll is not approved. This approved payroll detail. For support option, click on top left corner. First option is need support. Here, employee can submit their issues. First select the problem. Then enter the remark. Mention the issue clearly in this box. Then click report. Next is change password. Here, employees can change password. Enter the old or current password. Enter new password. Confirm password. Enter the captcha code. Then enter save button. After saving, log in with the new password again. Enter username. Enter password. Enter the captcha code. Next is help option. Here you can see the rules and recommendations of the app. Next is about. In this, app details is shown. Downloaded app version is shown here. Next is privacy policy. Next is logout. Here, logout option is available. With this app, employees can quickly get in touch with these activities on their smartphone. Thank you.